Our visiting delegation from our neighbor Rwanda, the generals present, especially General Kale Keihura,
General Kale Keihura,
and also Lieutenant General Owesigire,
kandi hamwe na General Owesigire Kasoka,
the CMI Major General Birungi,
kandi owasemayi waitu General Birungi,
and his counterpart from Rwanda, Major General Nyakarundi.
Kandi hamwe na mugenzi we okulika Rwanda, General Nyakarundi.
All members of parliament,
bamemba parliament bona baryaha,
members of SEC,
kandi abamemba b'urukiko rukuru,
the LC5 chairpersons,
bachameni b'entebe za katanu abakigezi n'ahandi,
all of you distinguished, our religious leaders,
abanyadini kandi abatwebembera omusavisi,
all of you ladies and gentlemen,
mwena ngo kumuryaha omubitinisa byanyu,
kantanshe no kugira ngo Museveni oye, President Museveni oye,
oye,
President Kagame oye,
oye,
Rwanda oye,
oye,
Uganda oye,
oye.
Abantu ba Kigezi nimbaramutya mwe bari munonga kwija mukorogu kandi mukeija ombwinji muti. Ntubasima munonga kandi muhamzaho
mugumizaho mugume n'amani. General niko yagira
ni nsima urukunde yona. Abageni beitu abakurga Rwanda twabakira,
abakisi bacu bavuye mu Rwanda mwakoze kuza,
mwebare kwija kandi ntubakunda munonga,
kandi turabakunda cyane. Bene wacu muvuye mu Rwanda turabakunda cyane.
Speech yanje eryo mu rujungu,
speech ya General weitu nko mugenyi mukuru,
so ni nshaba
eryo mu rujungu
omwami nshanga basheja kunvunura. I greet you all, the people of Kigezi that have turned up for this occasion.
Yabakuraho mwena abantu ba Kigezi abaje ryo gumukoro.
Thank you very much for turning up in big numbers.
Kandi mwebare kwija omubwinji.
I really appreciate your love.
General yasima munonga abwa rukundo yanyu.
It is wonderful to be back in Kabare after some time.
Chamulenga okwisha Kabare anyuma yobwire bulingwa.
I was here in Kabare in 1980.
Akabari hanu ya muri Kabare 1980.
Nkani nshomera Kabare Preparatory School.
Ni mujimanya mwena. Ni mureba General mwana wetu owa Kabare owa Kigezi.
So Kabare ni njimanyaje.
Kabare na jimanyaje.
I remember the cold weather in the mornings in Kabare.
Areshuka obufusi bw'amani omukasheshe omuli Kabare Kigezi.
And this morning when it was cold, I started getting memories of those days.
kandi mukasheshe haza obufuchi arejuka ebyabirabaho obwobwire achali kabale.
Today we're here to celebrate the opening of the border with our brothers and sisters in Rwanda.
Echerizo echamani nokushemererwa nokujaguza abokuyuka kwetu okwabodea katuna na bagenzi beitu aba Rwanda.
It was closed for 3 years, and you know all the problems that people on both sides had during those 3 years.
Kandi boda ekachingwa okumara emyaka 3 kandi abantu bitu baravuga n'obulemezi bw'amani munonga.
So ntusima ruhanga munonga ngo akayigura boda yetu. Ntusima leaders beitu President Museveni na President Kagame for working to resolve the misunderstandings between the two countries.
Arasima President wetu His Excellency General Yoweri Kaguta Tibahurwa Museveni kandi na mugenzi we Paul Kagame abokushitama bakamaraho embera z'abezitaragenda kurungi kandi boda yetu ekiguka.
The relations these days are very good. We have very good relations now.
Enkwatanisa no kolengana hati birije biragenda mu meisho.
Nimwe mwebare. Pan-Africanists like us cannot be happy when borders are closed.
Omutima wo kwatanisa nga Africa tukabaho boda zetu zicingirwe.
We want our people to move freely, to trade freely throughout Africa.
Balenda ngo abantu bitu batambule ate no kwata mukono Africa yona.
We continue to strive for a borderless Africa.
Kandi barakubizamu no kukihagira kureba ngo cyecuntu cyagumaho omu Africa.
Since the border opened early last year, trade between Rwanda and Uganda is recovering.
Kwiha omwaka guwero boda yayiguka obwo bwire hatiya ebyo bushubuzi biratambura kurungi.
Before the border was closed, our annual trade was $200 million per year.
Boda atakashingire bakaba turashoroza miliyoni 2 omwaka. Miliyoni 3 za dola omwaka.
That translated to $17 million per month.
Echo kiramanyisa ngo buri kwezi tukaturashoroza miliyoni 17 za dola.
When the border closed, that figure went down to $60,000.
Kubakingire boda omusharuro gwa shuma hansi okuyisika ari dola kakaga.
Today, I checked with Bank of Uganda before coming here. Today, the figure is $20 million per month. We have even gone beyond what was there before.
Atakijiranu ya checkinga na Bank of Uganda ya shanga twine sente ziraika dola ezimwahurira.
20.
Miliyoni 20.
20.
Miliyoni 20 mwachihurira echo chamanyisa ngo tutere entambwe y'amani munonga. Zayongereyo munonga zayangutuka.
We are only talking about export of goods. Export of goods. We're not talking about informal trade. We're not talking about services.
Echo ari kugamba abyabushubuzi ebirashora omwihanga. Utaryo bushubuzi obwaburijo obutwabere turakora.
If you include informal trade, the one that is not monitored, and services like tourism, like banking, like insurance, the figure is higher.
Watamu ebyo bushubuzi bya burijo nebya tourism nebyo kubankinga esente ziyonjera heguru munonga.
I saw somebody saying that trade has not. I saw somebody saying on TV that trade has not recovered. Either they don't know, or they are not being truthful, because trade is even more now than before.
Hariho abantu bamwe abarareba amahurire ha TV barajya mu byo bushubuzi nibibi ingaha baragamba iki batari kumanya abo kwatiya obushubuzi bweyongerere kimwe munonga.
I want to thank the youth.
Arenda kusima eminyeto ensinganto.
Ngenda kusima eminyeto.
Engaro zamani.
For the strong support
Habo kumuhakira munonga naganyu gona.
In all these activities for this Rukundo Egumeho Thanksgiving and concert, the youth have been in the lead.
Habwo no kutebekanisa ogumukoro gwa Rukundo Egumeho kandi no kushemererwa abo kwiga kwa boda muteremamani minji nkeminyeto.
Mwebare
munonga, asante sana.
Mwebare
kuhajira Gen.Muhoozi Kainerugaba.
The youth are the most dynamic segment of the population.
Eminyeto nimwe sirali hango population yetu yehanga.
The country and the future belongs to you, the youth.
Ehanga namasiko go mu mesho gali ari imwe nkeminyeto.
We request you, the youth, to be more active in your communities.
Arabashaba okutamamani nengoga omubisheka byaitu ebituratahamu.
You should be more active in monitoring government programs in your communities.
Mushameye kutamamani okurambura programu za government zona ezirakorwa omubisheka byaitu.
Those programs are there to serve you.
Ezo programs na projects nezanyu okubayamba ngumuwehoje.
Programs like parish development model.
Programu nka parish model eryamiruka yaitu eyibari kutamesente.
Operation Wealth Creation.
Esente eza Operation Wealth Creation ezibaratungaga omubichweka byaitu.
Emyoga. All these programs are there for you.
Ebyo bintu byona na programu zona ziriho ahabwanyu.
So if they are not working well,
eminyeto general yajangu kubira bitarakora kurunji acagumizemo no kubashobororera.
You should get concerned.
Bitarakora je mushemere kufayo.
And ask your leaders why they are not working.
Mutubuze mubuza bembezi banyu habwenshi ebintu bitari gukora.
The leaders work for you. Nubabakorera.
Abebembezi nimwe bari kukorera kandi nimwe muraterera karuru.
You vote for them.
Murabaterera karuru.
So you should ensure that the programs are helping you.
So mushemere kurebeka ngu ebyo bintu byagenda mu meisho.
Another issue is maintaining your health. The youth, you should maintain your health.
Ekindi kintu kyamani nkaminyeto shemere kulinda amagara gaitu. Munonga.
They say health is wealth.
Baragira ngu amagara nibwo bugega kandi amagara garashira magana. Mwakirira echo. Amagara nibwo bugiga kandi amagara garashira magana.
You should stay fit and healthy.
Mushameye kumamwina mani kandi mwina magara marunji.
Because the country needs you to develop.
Habo kuba ihangalira benda okuja guturitungure.
Now, I cannot live here without talking about some economic issues.
Takarwa hanuya atagambire habintu byo kubesaho ihangaliye itu.
We must support the President's message of everybody engaging in commercial agriculture.
Tushemerere okuhurikiza message nanga shobutuma bwa President okwetungura turabira omubyo buhinji.
Most of us in this country are farmers.
Enamba mpangu y'abantu binji ngo kuturyaha abinji n'abatunji kandi n'abalisa.
Now in places like Kabare,
so nabwecho emyanya nka Kabare Kigezi,
which already have small plots of land because of land fragmentation.
aho twine obutaka buke abo kubucanyagura habwe namba mpango.
You should engage in high value enterprises.
Tushemere kwejumba mu bintu ebiratasa ebyarurengo rwahiguru.
On those small plots of land.
Hariyo bwo poroti buke obutwine nko kuhinga nyanya, obutunguru, ebijuma n'emboga n'ebindi. No kutunga mpunu.
Abachigano bari empunu? Nimuri empunu? Okay, very good.
Kasari nabahereze mpunu tikokwe? No muntu wa emuke munonga.
Na nati na kuchigamba ho na think kumanya. Okay, if you no problem. President has said you should focus on poultry.
Presidenti aterehesira okuja kutuze mu byo kutunga enkoko,
dairy farming,
okutunga ebyentasa bya buli izoba nk'amate n'ebindi,
using zero grazing,
turatunga zero grazing nko kutunga ente okagita mu kijuna ngebiri oragirisizamu,
and piggery.
Hamwe no kutunga empunu koko mwahora mukaseri ndamira arabahereza empunu.
This will make you earn some good money on a small plot of land.
Ekyo kirala kutuyamba okutunga sente nungi munonga kandi turazitungira okuruga butaka buke.
Next time I'll come here and give you figures of how much you can earn per year if you do these activities.
Ogundi murundi yaya kugaruka hanuya aryabagambira nesente zingahe ejo araza kutunga mu mwaka wabaratunga zo project ziyagamba nkempunu nenkoko nebindi.
People, because of small pieces of land, you cannot grow. For example, if you're doing dairy farming, you cannot grow the maize, the animal feed for the cow yourself on that land.
Habwa butaka buke tituraza kutaye ibintu bingi ebyo kutunga nkente omunamba mpango titurakibaza konga twakora ejo zero grazing eratuyamba aho kutkino butaka buke.
So government is working on a scheme.
Nabwe ejo government erikuza kuchita mu nkora
to encourage people with big chunks of land to grow maize,
kugira ngo abantu abene butaka buhango bahinge bichole,
and then sell it to you who have small pieces of land.
Then itwabene obutaka buke batuguze.
And government can subsidize, government can help bring the price down so it is not high.
Kandi government eratuyamba okula gutwagurira aha price ebonire aha kiguzi kirungi ekitarya iguru.
Another thing that government is planning to do for Kabare and Kigezi generally
ekindi kintu ky'amaani ekihanga ryetu riri kupulaninga okorera Kabare hamwe na Kigezi
is to utilize the huge iron ore deposits here.
No kureba ngo byobuguzi byaitu ebiri mu butaka nka iron ore twabasa kubitebekanisa kurungi kunuya omuri Kigezi
in order to develop a steel industry.
Kugira ngo tukole ebyamaguzi omuri Kigezi no muri Kabare abana betu bafune emirimo.
In the whole of Uganda, we have 500 million tons of iron ore deposits.
Mu Uganda yona twine tanizi emitwaro atano mu Uganda yona byona bibarirwe hamwe.
And in Kigezi, we have 200 million tons of iron ore are found in Kigezi.
Kandi muri Kigezi twine tani miliyoni 2 eziri mu itaka ryetu ngebyo buguzi.
Government has already encouraged a private investor.
Government yagezo kuronda abantu abagiga bamani abarekozesa
based in Jinja.
Kandi ebase kubatebekanisa omwanya ogwajinja
called Modern Group.
Kandi yaronda abantu abamulembe
which is about to start a steel industry here in Kabare.
kandi betegwire okutandika amakorero 15 omuri Kabale Kigezi. Obugaro bw'amani abwecho obugaro ebirungi niwo byeja ebirungi niwo byagira ki.
They are going to invest $150 million here in Kabale.
Hatiya baza kuleta miliyoni $500 za dola omuri Kigezi hanuya.
They are just waiting for mining license from Ministry of Energy and Mineral Development.
Bategereze ekipapura nanga shi license eroga mu Ministry ya Energy okugira ngo batandike emirimo yabo.
And then they start.
Okugira ngo bagubidemo batandikireho.
So next time I come, which I hope by that time they would have set up, you'll prove that I'm telling you the facts.
Yaza kugaruka ebyo byona biraza kuba byakozirwe kandi muyikirize ngo yabagambira amazimero izoba. Engaro zamani.
Finally, another area President says you should focus on in Kigezi is tourism.
Ekindi ekyamwere kyamani ekyokutaha esira ly'amani no kureba ngo byobe burambuzi twabitaho esira ly'amani omuri Kabale Kigezi.
Here by God helping us to open the border has helped for tourism.
Hanu ya Kigezi Kabale na Katuna aborohanga kutuyamba bodete kiguka ebyo burambuzi biri kugenda mu meisho.
Because you know Rwanda and Uganda, and this part of Uganda is almost one tourist area.
Uganda na Rwanda omurya chweka ebyo burambuzi niho biri munonga.
People land in Kigali and they drive here. They drive to Bwindi, they drive to Queen Elizabeth from Kigali.
Twalisi baletwa Kigali Kanombe baragumiza mu Benje baze Bunyonyi baze Bwindi baze no mu Gahinga n'ahandi.
Mugahinga also. It is shorter to drive from Kigali to here than to drive from Kampala to here.
Ni hei munonga wabaraga Kigali oyishire n'endege yawa Kanombe okuruga Kigali kwija Kabale ni hei munonga okukira kuruga Kampala oleja Kabale.
I thank all those who have invested in the tourism sector in this region.
Arasima mwena abase kuta ebintu byanyu nanga kwejumba omubyo burambuzi omuri ya district yetu ya Kabale.
And I request, this is a request from this Rukunde Gumoho Thanksgiving and concert. We request that there is greater cooperation between Uganda Tourism Board and Rwanda Tourism Board so that you sell this as one tourist area.
Arashaba ngwawe nkwatanisa ya saidi eyo burambuzi omu Uganda na Rwanda kugira ngo bimegumize megende mu mesho kandi tutunga kasente twetungure omuri Kabale na Kigezi yeitu.
Finally, I want to thank all the organizers of this event.
Ekyamwere kyamani omujenyi wetu mukuru General Muhoozi Kainerugaba emanzi ishama manzi arahendera abasima mwena abatebekanisize ogumukoro kandi gukarugamu gukabonera obugaro bw'amani munonga.
I want to thank all the units of MK, of the mighty MK movement.
Arenda kusima ebishweka byona nanga group zona eziragira MK movement.
Nubenji mbareba hariho Mr. Michael Nwajira, team chairman.
Ogwe emanzi Toyota mwamuleba Nwajira.
Hariho
Balamu emanzi.
Balam Bargara.
Mwamuleba.
Ijao bakurebe Balam.
Balam ikira emesho bakurebe.
Hariho Honorable Kabanda.
Honorable Kabanda mwamuleba. No muntu wa MK munonga.
Numumanya.
MK oye!
Oye!
Nenchi mwaba mutani nyenda kureba emikono ya Gen.Muhoozi Kainerugaba abakumuhagira mwene emikono ah'iguru. Abakwagira Muhoozi emikono ah'iguru. Muhoozi oye! Muhoozi oye! Abachigani bagira ngo tokubasa kunda omuzeire kando kanga omwana. Abakwagira President Museveni emikono ah'iguru. Abakwagira Gen.Muhoozi Kainerugaba emikono ah'iguru. Mwebare munonga amazina ganje ninye David Kabanda ndi member wa afande ko rumureyingwa ndi member wa parliament ori kucicirira abantu bakashambye muri Mbende district kandi ninye deputy spokesperson wa MK movement 2026 nitwisha bakugira ngo twishe muhanice emikono ah'iguru. Aya
Gambira mugenzi wawe kurya Rubaju ote nama yahwere
arho
enama yakizireki kirikita
arho harho Honorable Mawanda Michael nawari aha. Okay. Harho Nzeire Cedric Jobaramse
Imanzi Nzeire. Hoye! Hoye! Joe! Webare.
Okay. Finally, no, Ninja. I think that's all. Woman MP.
Woman member of parliament wa Kabare Kasari Ndamira. Owa Bodinji.
Jobaramse.
Eminyeta mugumire. Eminyeta mutemikono yanyu higuru abarebe. Ekintu kyona kyaweire MK kandi twe twatura kushaba obu wagamba amakorero aba bana bakiri bato abamwe bine za saruni abandi nibenda ngo bataho mu by'obushubuzi amashanyarazi ga Kabare gagumire gararara turashaba ngo kwataho amashanyarazi twina amashanyarazi garaturabaho gakaza Rwanda abakabare bakasigara mu kizima abana bitu mureke bakore yebare mnonga General twakwakira
Ecamashanyarazi muhumure
kare twaza kweza
mwete benkanire General Hendere
twaza kweza
mwehumurire ebirungi biri kuyija muhumure
twine chairman wetu Frank Gashumba MK movement for Buganda.
Mwakire engaro z'amani munonga atukora omulimo gw'amani omuli Buganda.
Arona Sheikh Kasima.
Abarahazira Gen.Muhoozi Kainerugaba emikono ah'iguru. Muhoozi oye! Tina bareba kurungi. Muhoozi oye! General MK oye! Mwebale munonga kumukunda. Mwebale kuhagira MK movement. Ndabashaba amani, ndabashaba enkwatanisa tutambuze enteekateeka ya MK movement okuruga erizoba obu yatutayayira okuhisya 2026 obwari gatugambira ekigambo kya second half. Mwebale munonga rukundo egumeho.
Obugaro bw'amani obugaro. Mutebenkane General abagambire ebigambo bye bwenje.
Twine MP wa Bukanga. Ejo baramutse.
General oye!
Oye!
Eminyeto mugira mutunkanye mugira muti. Aba general. Kabara oye! oye!
Oye!
Museveni oye!
Oye!
NRM oye!
Oye!
Muhoozi oye!
Oye!
Asante sana. Nibanyeta Honorable Kangwaje Stephen Rwakanuma, member of Parliament Bukanga, omuli Singiro, tukunda Kabare, tukunda Muhoozi, tukunda NRM, tukunda na Museveni. Mukama bampera mugisha.
Webale kabanda, webale kwemanzi kasho. Webale kunda General Muhoozi.
Baby cool. Come and read the record.
Muhoozi oye!